73, so fill all of it. Calling the QSK going.
Yeah, I just wanted to wave at you from the west coast to Canada. 791, 9 Alpha Uniform, 791 west coast to Canada, waving.
I've got 791 west coast of Canada, is that correct? Do I get the numbers right? 791 over?
That's a Roger, 791 west coast to Canada. And what is your QTH in Australia?
My QTH is the east coast of Australia, near Newcastle. I'm about 30 kilometres north of Newcastle, 8 kilometres in from the Pacific Ocean. You're about 5 and 3, 5 and 4 at the moment, so you've got operators Steve this way. Sierra Tango, Echo, Victor, Echo, over.
Okay there, Steve, sounding good. Q5, you got Joe, 791, 9 Alpha Uniform, 791, Southern Gulf Islands off the far west coast of Canada.
Yeah, copy there, Joe. Yeah, someone else is coming up on the frequency now. I won't hold it with you, but I'll give you, as I said, give you the contact, and I'll better get out. A little bit of interference here, so it's nice to catch up with you, Joe, and I'd like to have a bit more of a chat with you. But yeah, conditions might curtail what's happening, but make contact with you. I think you're the second contact. I've had another one in the British Columbia about 40 minutes ago, so nice to catch up with you from the west coast of Canada.
That's a Roger. Propagation is changing. So I'll tell you what, we will let you go and let you know you are sounding Q5 on the west coast of Canada, my friend. Always good to talk to Down Under Australia. Cheers and beers to you, my friend, and we'll listen for you again. This is 9 Alpha Uniform 791, Southern Gulf Islands, far west coast of Canada. We'll be QSX. Cheers to you, mate.
No worries there, Joe. 73 is 791, all the best from Australia. Stay safe in Canada, mate, with you and your family. 73 is my friend.
73 is right back to you. 791 on the side. Cheers. Yeah, World Radio 291. We're waving at you. 9 Alpha Uniform. 9 Alpha Uniform 791. Gulf Islands, far west coast to Canada, waving. Bring it back there, World Radio Station 791, waving. Yeah, we got you in there, World Radio Station. World Radio Station, Australia, we hear you. This is 791 off the west coast of Canada, waving. Yeah, conditions are changing. Propagation is changing. It seems to be fading out. Roger there, World Radio Station. I need to change radios. That's what I need to do.